Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. I want to thank everybody that came out for the webinar last night. Danny and I had a great time doing it, and looking forward to doing another one real soon. Let's take a look at the markets. We're trading. We're down about 6.5 handles on the E-mini right now. The current trade is 1379.5. I'm noticing a couple of things. I'm noticing we've got some support down around 1377, which is coinciding with the daily pivot sitting there at 1378.5. You've also got to note that we've got a double pivot area up at the 9-day and 20-day pivots, and those are locked up between 85.42 and 1386.08. We've come a long way in a couple of days. Just 4 or 5 days ago, we were below the lower Bollinger Band on the daily chart, and we've done about 52 handles in 2 days. So you've got to expect there's going to be some profit taking here somewhere, or at least a consolidation day. All right, and that may be what we're setting up for here. A little bit flat to lower. The levels I would be looking for. The bulls, if you're a bull, you got to get through 85.86. Then you got to get through yesterday's highs. If you're a bear, you've got to break the daily pivot and the 3-day pivot, get below 75. 75 and 72, which were both 72 was a level of support yesterday. 75 is where the 3-day pivot is today, which coincides with where my upper volatility level that I use for the subscribers and for the guys in the room, where we broke out over. We broke over 75 and we never looked back. Ultimately, on the daily chart, it's still the 20-day exponential moving average is still my target. I ultimately believe that area will, at least on the first run up, will be resistance, and we'll get another pullback. Then the question becomes, can the bulls make a higher low somewhere between the 20-day exponential moving average and the 52 half level in order to try to get through the 20-day exponential and back up towards the 1400, 1410 level. So, but that remains to be seen. If you've been long all week, if you're having a good week, it's Friday. Please don't give back an excellent week on a Friday afternoon trying to make something out of something that may not be there. We could get a nice range volatility day, but we could just go ahead and chop it up all day long as well. So just know that if we are chopping it up and you've done well on the long side, or even if you haven't participated, that's not the kind of trade you're looking for. Wait for everybody to make up their mind and decide what they want to do. Do we want to go over 86? Or do we want to break 73 and head back and test some lows? Okay? So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Everybody have a great weekend and trade them well.